you're running 30 kilometres. That's very impressive. Not as easy as you thought, huh? Don't worry, there's a water station after 3 kilometres. That's 3/30 of the way there. We can simplify that because both 3 and 30 are divisible by 3. If we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3, we can see that you'll be 1/10 of the way through the race. Hey, that's cheating. There's another water station at 10 kilometres. Both 10 and 30 have a common factor of 10, so if we divide both by 10, you're 1/3 of the way. This is definitely cheating. But the next water station is at 18 kilometres. 18 and 30 both have a common factor of 6, so if we divide both numbers by 6, you're already 3/5 of the way. By the way, I didn't know you could fly a helicopter.
Okay, so in our maths lesson today, we're going to be doing some more work on equivalent fractions. Now, just as a reminder, a fraction can be written in different ways and mean the same thing. We call these equivalent fractions. Now, what you're going to be doing today is producing a lot of equivalent fractions by multiplying or dividing the top and the bottom by the same number. So if we have a look at the example I've set on the board, 3/4 is the same as, or the equivalent to, 6/8, which is also the same as, or the equivalent to, 9/12, which is also the same as, or the equivalent to, 12/16. Now, what you must remember when working with equivalent fractions is that whatever you do to the numerator, you must also do to the denominator. So, for example, if you times the numerator by 2, so 3 times 2 gives us 6, then you must also do the same to the denominator. 4 times 2 gives us 8. If you times the denominator by 4, 4 times 4 is 16, you must also times the numerator by 4. So 3 times 4 is 12, so 3/4 is the same as 12/16. This also works with division. So if you divide the numerator by one number, you must also divide the denominator by the same number in order to find the equivalent fractions. If you're able to remember those rules, then I'm sure you're going to be absolutely fine finding lots of equivalent fractions for me today. Now, I just want to finish off by showing you one very short 20-second video clip, which will also help you to visualise some equivalent fractions better. So bear with me while I load it. We need to scroll down, and it's this one here. Okay. Good luck, and I'm looking forward to see how you're getting on with your equivalent fractions.